Well, we have syslog logging all the sudo commands inputted on the system, and that's great. But by default, we know that the credentials are cached every time a user logs in with sudo. So if I do a sudo v here, and then I grep for time, I see that there's a 5-minute timeout available. So that means for 5 minutes, this terminal will hold on to that information, and the person sitting here will not have to put in the password. Maybe as a real precautionary measure, we want to make it so that users always have to put in their passwords. We can do that by editing the sudo file. So for instance, let's go over here and test this for right now. So I'm over here as Colin, now I'll go over here as student. And I'm here as student. I will do a sudo etc init.d httpd status. Check status, it's asked me for my password, I put it in there, and now 5 minutes of checking off. And I can keep going in there for 5 minutes. Let's go change that. Let's go into the sudo file, and we'll look for defaults. And right down here, I've put this line in here, and I'm going to uncomment it. And basically, it is saying that the new default for the timeout stamp is 0. So we'll implement that, get out of here, we'll go back to the student over here, and we'll try putting that command in again, and it's asking for our password. We put it in, great, try it again, asking for our password. So that's a good rule to put in if you're very concerned about someone getting possible access to root privileges on your system.